Hello and welcome to In Goa News. The Goa police achieved some success in detecting 3 cases in the face of a sudden spurt of burglaries in the last few days. North Goa Superintendent of Police Priyanka Kashyap told the media that 1 burglary in North Goa and 2 in South Goa were detected and all of them were committed by the same persons. Kashyap said the police got a clue from the fact that the burglars used a Pulsar bike to commit the crime. Another virtual clue was provided by a woman from the neighborhood where the burglaries occurred. The cops drew a sketch of the thieves from the description provided by the woman who had engaged the strangers in a conversation, according to Kashyap. The culprits have been arrested and most of the stolen property, including gold coins, necklaces, Mangal Sutras, bangles and other ornaments have been recovered, DYSP Dinraj Govekar said. The burglaries had occurred at Sange and Kole on April 28th between 8 am and 1 pm and the culprits were arrested at TV in North Goa. The first burglary took place at Kole, the second at Kosti and the third in Sange, all between 8 am and 1 pm. Police said the name of the arrested burglar is Prakash Patel, who hails from Sankeli. Patel's associate is still at large and the police are hot in his chase. Govekar said Patel is involved in many cases in Goa as well as some in Karwar, Dodamarg and some areas of Karnataka.
The press conference is to tell you that we've been able to detect 3 burglaries. On my behalf from North District, we've been able to detect 1 and 2 from South, which is Sange and Karcharim. Basically, same time pe ye burglaries hui thi, the times were matching and same people were involved in this. So 2 people did burglaries in Sange, Karcharim and Kollam the same time, which is 28th April. So burglary ke baad, this is actually great teamwork by our PI and by our SDPO, जिन्होंने बहुत इसमें अपना hard work किया जिसकी वजह से detection हुआ है. They got a clue from the fact that वो Pulsar bike पे आए थे and they had come to this house and I think उनके neighborhood में some woman, I think she's an alert citizen who had noticed that some people had walked in, so she tried to engage them in a conversation. So conversation के दौरान she noticed that something was absurd about it, due to which when eventually the burglaries happened and when they went on questioning in the area, so they could develop a sketch. So from the sketch they were able to get to the person who was involved. He was a history sheeter and उसका record पहले भी है, so we were able to zero down on the suspect and eventually we were able to trace his movement and that led to the apprehending of the accused and finally we were able to detect these 3 cases जिसमें recovery भी सारा हो गया है.
Recovered the entire property involved in Kollam, Sangem and Karcharim. Cash is not recovered fully. We are in the process of interrogating the accused and his interrogation is likely to lead to some more offences will be disclosed probably and most of the property has been recovered.
In fact, the property
involved is gold coins, bangles, gold necklace, Mangal Sutra, gold Mangal Sutras and bracelet, earrings, then other bangles, different like in Kokni we say third of silver, some ornaments and
some lockets,
some lockets, pendants.
In all 31
total approximately
31 items.
Approximately 9 lakhs.
9 lakhs.
And about 31 items.
All 3 cases. Cash is partly cash is not recovered. All 3 cases day HBTs, day time this had occurred at Sangem, Karcharim and Kollam. Same day. Between these timings are between 8:30 to afternoon.
28th of April.
1 o'clock something.
8th.
28th of April.
8:30 to?
8:30 to you can say 1 o'clock.
This is
day HBT, daytime.
This is the same which I think in Navhind I had read that article wherein you had mentioned कि कुछ लोग घर से गए थे बाहर पूजा के लिए जिस दौरान उनकी absence में ये चोरी की गई थी. So we've been able to detect those one just to link up.
This
what
has
is the name of accused?
Accused is Prakash Patil. Prakash Patil.
How many people have been arrested?
He is from Sakeli, Bicholi. Yes. And one more accused is there. We are yet to trace him. He is not available at the moment.
His associate is at large.
And these cases,
yes.
so far one arrest, and this has been detected. Age 29 years. He was arrested yesterday at 10 o'clock in the night with the assistance of one of the constable of Parvari police station. Melvin Cardoz by name. Yes, he is involved. He is involved at different police station, not only in Goa but outside Goa also. He is involved in Karwar, Dodamarg, and other parts of Karnataka, including Chittagola police station also.
Out
Previously,
here, yeah.
this is burglaries. All burglaries. He is involved in Bicholim, Ponda, Old Goa, Agasai, Mapsa, Kalangut. Many
Panaji,
cases are there. More than
Bicholim, Ponda,
Panjim.
everywhere.
Total how many cases?
22 cases.
The
Something like
modus
22
operandi
cases.
was he was looking for those houses जहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, and he was breaking open the latch by an implement like a steel rod. I think he's been
Hand rod.
using. So we've been able to find that also. वो भी हमारे
Mostly he used to attack roadside houses which are locked. When he sees locked, he used to commit offences. Roadside. Modus operandi. Same modus operandi in all cases.
Locked house. Yeah,
Locked
yeah.
house, breaking open the lock. He is disclosing name of one person, and there are other previous accused person, previous history is also there, and they are not here.
we are expecting.
One is another Goan is there, but others
Yes.
no.
Same time means the
Between
times of
period I
matching.
said 8:30 to 1 o'clock.
But he has confessed that you are
We have recovered.
Yes, yes, yes.
We have recovered the property also.
Sorry.
First koi date? Where
First
the-
was at Kollam.
Kollam.
Second
what
was
what was the total amount? Kollam?
1,26,000 total amount.
Then second.
At Sangam it is 10 lakhs 65,000. And Kurcharam something like 1 lakh 94,000.
Khande Parkar.
94,000 I think.